Okay, no problem. Now please respond. What I may do? What I may do? Helm, helm, install, helm install, instll install. Maybe my nginx, my nginx. After that, shift insert. That's all. Just enter. nginx controller is installing. nginx controller is installed. Any error message? Installation failed. Regard manifest contain a resource that already exists. Unable to continue with install. Ingress class nginx is in namespace exist. Okay, we'll try it. kubectl get ns get ns namespaces. Check it. Any namespace with ingress is there or not? See, nginx ingress one namespace is there. We need to delete. Anyone tell me how to delete this? kubectl, kubectl, delete, delete ns,
Delete
nginx, ingress, ingress. Now it is deleted. Same procedure I need to apply once again. This is internally conflicting. See, now I am trying to install it. Again, what it is saying, render manifest contain a resource that already exists, unable to continue the install. Okay, ingress class. Okay, I understood. kubectl get ing. That is also somewhere it is there. It is saying, see, some ingress class is running or not internally. How to delete? Even that to delete. kubectl, 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 delete ing the ingress. Ingress. Now once again check it. Get namespaces. kubectl get ns. See, there is no namespace ingress. There is no original ingress. Again, you try to reinstall. Again, try to reinstall and install. Again, saying something. Exist and can error installation failed. Render manifest contain a resource that already exists, unable to contain with install ingress class nginx in namespace. Continue with install ingress class name imported into the current. Oh, I understood. Okay. There you need to give one. The release name is different. Release name is different. Release name is different. Again, same problem. Must equal current value ONG. Somewhere NG also there. Somewhere NG also there. First you need to kubectl, kubectl, delete, delete, delete all, hyphen, hyphen all. I need to remove everything. Internally some resources are running. Even kubectl, kubectl get or otherwise what I may do? Helm ls, helm ls. That is the problem internal. Helm ls. Now see, helm, helm, delete, delete, delete. This is the problem. Ng, helm ls, pro. Anything related to nginx? Observe, I think nothing is there, right? Promo. I think there is no other thing related to nginx. Now I need to configure once again. I'll try to install it. Now helm install my nginx Bitnami nginx ingress controller. See, everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Now what you need to check? kubectl get. First you need to check namespace got created or not. kubectl kubectl get ns. Any other new namespace got created or not? If no, there is no problem. We are having only four. Only four. You can check it. kubectl get pods related to nginx. How many pods are there? Check it. nginx1, my nginx1, one pod is there. Ingress controller, one more pod is. Both are running, right? Now everything is fine. Now everything is fine. We need to go for service svc. Check it. On load balancer, automatically system will create my nginx1, nginx ingress controller. What is that? Load balancer. What is that? Load balancer. First you need to check. Copy this. Copy this. Control insert. Just you are going to browser. Are going to browser. There you need to paste it. Control B. Only where ingress is running or not, we are checking. Ingress is running or not, we are checking. See 404 not found error. See, check the here, check the thing. nginx is running or not. Application is not configured. Service is not configured. Ingress is running or not. But in real time, we never give like this. We need to give domain name, right? We need to give domain name. How to configure domain name? First, we need to go for that. How to configure domain name? Try to remember here AF6D. AF6D. Now I'm going to which one? Route 53. Where is Route 53? Route 53. Where is it showing anything? No. Go to here. My AWS console. AWS console login. AWS console login. They are signed into the console. I think you need to tell that name. Please tell your name, Srinath Garu.
Chandana.
Which one?
Harichandana. Harichandana. Hari.
Hari Chandana.
Yeah, that's one.
Yeah,
That.
good.
Yeah.
Content. Maybe password it won't take.
Yeah.
Maybe I think it is. It
Yeah,
might.
it will take, I think.
Check it now. Now you need to give. Please respond.
Okay.
I think.
MA, capital M.
A
MANAN. REDDY.
REDDY
At the rate 19.
at the rate 19.
Uh,
Yes. Now I think I made did
Caps M. Capital M, I think.
maybe I made it small mistake. We'll check it. The authentication information. I think this one is correct,
Yeah,
right?
this is correct. Yes.
Are Chandana here.
Uh,
Okay, I'll once again try it.
M. Capital M.
1 minute. Maybe I'm in uppercase or lowercase. Check it. And now I go for capital M.
ANAN.
ANAN.
REDDY.
REDDY.
1 minute. I think Reddy is there or not. I will check on.
Or shall I check it through WhatsApp?
Yeah, he's there. At the rate 19.
At the
Manan
rate
Reddy at the rate, yeah, 19.
19.
Yeah.
If we are right, yes, it is. Yeah, good. Now I'm going to Route 53. You know it, right? You know it. There, Route 53. See, these are the interdependent. We need patience. Here, all these things automatically I may configure. In this batch, I am not configure anything my own. Everything I am configuring in front of you. Even my brother today morning asked, now you are doing multiple things in previous batches not doing. In previous batches already I did, but in this batch I am not doing anything. Everything is doing in front of you. And now please observe, I am going to hosted zones. Or otherwise click on hosted zone. Maybe I am creating what I am creating. not just I go for a dashboard. There click on hosted zones. There I need to select markonda.co.in. There I am creating a record. Now you tell me which record shall I create. That is your wish. Maybe nginx, right? Nginx. I am giving nginx.markonda.co.in alias. Alias. Yeah, try to observe and tell me which one here, which one here. Their application or classic load. Try to understand. This is the interview question. nginx is which type of web server? Application HTTP web server. Nginx is also that is the one type of HTTP web server. Yes. What is the region? US East 2. US East 2. Now I said right. What I said. Try to remember right. I said which one I said. Please respond. I think AF60 below one or upper one. Below one or upper
Below
one.
one. Below
Below
one,
one.
sir.
Even we can check it manually. Even we can check it manually. How can I check it? See AF60. Am I correct or not? This is our load balance. This is our load balancer. And now please respond. This is AF60 only. Right. Simply create record. Create record. Our duty is over. Once our duty is over, simply select this. Copy this. Just again you go for new tab, right click, paste it. Right click, paste it. See, now again, are you getting proper output or not? Are you getting or not? Please respond. nginx.markonda.co.in. This one I am taking as it is. This one I am taking as it is. Copy, copy. Now I am going to DNS checker. DNS checker. Here see DNS checker. DNS checker. Just try to DNS checker. Try to paste it. Control V, just search it. See, everything is perfect or not? See, am I getting tick mark right? Green tick. See, all countries, maybe you know the which one? Regions. In all regions, it is working. Now, throughout the world, anyone can access. Anybody can access my link. Anybody can access my link. Up to this, clear or not? Tell me. Anybody facing difficulty? I need to enhance remaining things. I need to enhance. What I need to enhance, we will see. If it is clear till now, I may continue 10 more minutes. I may try to configure it. Manjunath, till now clear or not? Manjunath, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Got till now clear or not?
The premises is some more explanations.
Which one do you want?
Premises. Premises, sir. Bitnami premises. Hello?
Not
Bitnami Prometheus, sir. He is telling that.
Premises.
no Prometheus. I'll tell you. Don't worry. Prometheus. I'll tell you. Because of that command is not working right. I'll tell you that one. I'm asking about this one. Which one? In nginx ingress. Till now clear or
This
not?
one. Understood, sir.
Okay. Please mute it. Your voice is not properly getting. Okay. Good. Now I am going to here. Please observe. I need to configure one application. I need to configure one web application. How to configure everybody know it. How to configure everybody know it. Now please respond kubectl. I want to create Docker hands-on. Docker hands-on one web application. Kubectl. Please respond. What I may do? Kubectl create create deployment, right? Deployment. My deployment name is maybe my deployment. After that, hyphen image. What is the image name? I may go with docker hands on slash java hyphen web hyphen app colon. This is The application I deployed. Once it is deployed, I need to expose. I need to expose. How can I expose? First, check it. Is it running or not? kubectl get pods. Get pods. That which pod? MyD pod is running, right? MyD pod is running. Okay. I need to expose. Maybe check it. Service got created or not? kubectl get svc. MyD service got created or not? Check it and tell me. MyD service got created or not? Observe and tell me anyone. No, right? No, right?
Noted.
No. How to create a service? How to create a service? kubectl, just expose. Just expose. Okay, I exposed. Now what I may do here? Hyphen, 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 hyphen. Please respond. Just hyphen, hyphen, port. What is the port number is equal to? What is the port number? Even I may go with port is equal to 80. Next, hyphen, hyphen, target, hyphen, port. What is the target port? Please respond. 8080. Are agree with me or not? Target port is
Noted.
8080. What is the service port? What is the service port? 80.
Yes.
Is it clear? Now shall I press enter? Yes. Now kubectl get svc. Cluster IP service got created. Are agree with me? Cluster IP service got created. This one can you able to access outside the scope? Anyone respond? This service can you able to access outside the scope? Yes or no?
No.
No. Here, even though it is cluster IP, I can access outside the scope with the help of nginx controller. That is the specialty. With the help of nginx controller. How can you get it? That is the specialty. How can you get it? We need to configure the ingress rules. We need to configure ingress rules. How do I configure ingress rules? First, what I may do is notepad, notepad test hyphen ingress. One file is the general file. See, check it. This is the general file, ingress file. There I need to configure. I need to configure. First, observe what is the domain name. Please respond. What is the domain name there I configured? Anyone respond? nginx dot markonda dot co.in. Everybody got the clarity?
Yes.
This is the simple thing. Maybe it may work or not, leave it. First try to understand. This is our domain name. If domain is this, which service you need to run? Which service? MyD. Got it or not? MyD. What is the service port number? Please respond. What is the service port number? 80. You got it or not? You got it or not? Remaining things are very common. Remaining things are very common. Now see, this ingress is the overlay network. This ingress is the overlay network. How to understand overlay? How to understand overlay? Windows key, MS already I'm in Paint, I think somewhere. Paint, yeah, here. What is the meaning of overlay network? In Docker only bridge network is there, host network is there, none network is there. But what is overlay network? According to Docker, this is one bridge network assume. Here container 1, container 2 got configured. Observe, simple explanation I am giving. This is regarding which network? Please respond. Bridge network. If it is really bridge network, it is following IP, only IP. It is also having IP. It is also having IP. It won't contain container names. If these two wants to communicate with container name, you may go with one more network. What is that? Custom bridge network. What is that? Custom bridge network. Here see, here one more, here container is there. Here also one more container is there. These two got connected. Here my intention is I may want to work with either IP or maybe container name. Either IP name, either IP address or container name. Here also either IP address or container. Either IP or container name. Container name. This is nothing but custom bridge network. BRIDG. Custom bridge. This is purely bridge network. Purely bridge. BRIDG. These two networks are able to communicate. These two networks are able to communicate with each other. At that time, you need to create that network name is overlay network. Overlay network. What does it mean? Two different networks are able to communicate with each other. At the time which is required, overlay network is there. In Kubernetes, by default overlay network will be created. By default overlay network is created. I hope you got the clarity. That's why networking dot k8s dot io slash v1. This is the version 1. This is the version 1. I think everything is fine. I am closing this. Save it. Now I need to run this. kubectl apply hyphen f test hyphen ingress dot y. I'm configuring ingress rules. Now check it. kubectl get get ingress. You must wait for 2 to 3 minutes. It will get address. It will gather internally. It will go and communicate with service object. It is internally doing something. Maybe it may take 1 or 2 minutes. Even it will provide IP address. Yeah. Am I getting IP address or not? Please respond. Am I getting IP address or not? See, am I got it? Am I audible or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
And now you know already this one. You try to copy this. Control insert. Control insert. If everything is fine, it will work. Or otherwise, you may get an error. We will resolve it in future. I am also maybe batch to batch. Some problems we are getting. Maybe we will try to resolve it. Now just enter it. See, now something goes wrong. What it is going wrong? Type status report description. Now I understood. I think what is the port number? What is the port number? I think I given 8080 is the target port actually. We'll check it. Even that too, it may work or not. Or otherwise I know it. Maybe that is not a problem. After this slash, what is our name? I think Java hyphen web hyphen app, right? That is what is that? What is that? Maybe I am saying multiple times that name, right? Context path. Context path. You check it. Java hyphen. Now see, everything is fine or not? Everything is fine or not? See, is it running or not? Yes, it is running.
Yes,
Yes, it
sir.
is. Even see, in future, tomorrow what I may do, here maybe assume I am providing this path for maybe some X. Maybe I may provide in this way. What in this way? Here Maven web application. Maven Maven hyphen web hyphen app. If I do like this, application assume automatically I may get which application? Maven web application. See, this the domain name is common. Domain name is common. I am enhancing which one? Please respond. I am enhancing which one? Only
Maven.
path based. If path is modified, application automatically some other you may get it. Even nowadays we are giving, see, I am going to here, see simple one, google.com, google.com slash, maybe something name is there, right? Index dot something. Maybe I don't know index is there or not. Or maybe some other name. Here index is not there, some other. HTML, I think. I given HTML. Maybe possible. Index.html. Index.html that is not there, or maybe some other, maybe php like that is there, dot php, maybe some other php or some other jsp related something is there. This is the path based. Maybe we'll go first, we'll check it in this way, google.com you may get one common paste, you may get one common paste. What is the path is, anyone respond? What is the path? En, not GoDaddy, google.com, 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 enter it. We need to get one extension, maybe path I require.
No, again, it is GoDaddy.
Okay, already it isn't. Okay, go for GoDaddy. I think en hyphen in, right? This is the
Yes.
path. Are you observing? Like
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
we applied or not? Like this, we applied or not? This is the way we can implement. I can simplify the concept and I can close the session. Please try to observe. What is the advantage, specialty? Only one ingress controller. Please try to observe. Ingress is the internal load balancer. This is the simple answer. What is ingress? Ingress is the web server. Ingress is the HTTP web server. Ingress is the reverse proxy. Ingress is the internal load balancer. Who is interacting with ingress? Who is interacting with ingress? End user is interacting with ingress through internet. End user is interacting with ingress through internet. End user is connecting like this. End user is connecting like this. This from here to here. This is our ingress. Ingress. Till now clear, right? What this ingress will do? This is one service. This is another service. This is one more service. These are the services. These are the services. Our ingress based on the path. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Are you observing or not? Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Like this, it will go and interact with. How many ingresses are there? One ingress. How many services are there? Multiple services. If there is no ingress concept, what it is required? Anyone respond? For each service, we need to create one load balancer. Here, how many load balancers I created? Please respond, anyone. How many load balancers I got created? Only one
One
load
load
balancer.
balancer.
That is which load? External load balancer or internal load balancer? This is the internal load balancer. This is the internal load balancer. After this service will go and discovers maybe two parts here, maybe three parts here. Are you observing or not? Maybe these are the replicas. These are the replicas. This is the service. These are the replicas. Again, this is the service. These are the replicas. Now these are the different services. These are the different services. See, one end user is requesting control moving to ingress. This is the ingress controller. Try to understand. Ingress controller. Ingress controller. Ingress controller internally having what? Anyone respond? Ingress what? RULS. In ingress rules, what happening? If so and so, if so and so, if so and so, domain name. If so and so, domain. What it will do? DOMAIN. What it will do? So and so service. Based on the domain, service will happen. Based on the domain, service will call. Once again, I'll show you, then I'll stop the session. First, where I am in? This one. Simply try to understand. This is if so and so. What is the host name? If so and so host. If so and so host. So and so service. Tomorrow, what I may do? Not like that. Not like that. Here, path I may give. What is the path? A. Assume. In future, I may copy this one. I may copy as it is. I may copy as it is. From here to here. Observe. Control C. Control C. I may copy here. Try to understand. Maybe space, Control V. Maybe indentation. Leave this indentation. That is A, right? This is B. If it is B, I may go with maybe here is XYZ service. XYZ service. Are understanding or not? What I may give in future? This one with, now tell me the answer. If I give A in browser, if I give like this, which service will run? MyD. If I give B here, which service will run? Respond, anyone? Which service will run? XYZ.
XYZ.
XYZ belongs to assume Maven. Assume. Maven web application. Here, this MID belongs to maybe Java web application. Java web. Like that, we can maintain, we can configure multiple services where we can configure within ingress, within nginx, ingress rules. These are the rules. These are the nginx rule. That is nothing but here. What is the kind? Ingress is the rules. I hope you got it right. Very, very important. Very, very important. Even you try it. Maybe sometimes it may work, sometimes it may not work. Okay. Thank you. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, once again, you go for Prometheus as well as Grafana. Tomorrow, I'll try to complete Prometheus and Grafana. Shall I end the session?
That we can.
I'll stop the cluster. No worries. If you want to continue, even maybe I may stop. You may try to restart once again. Where I need to go.